I'm gonna be honest, I haven't been this excited about a product in a long time. This is one of those canopies that makes you wonder why people are still paying over 5 grand. This is the Cobra 4x4 Premium Stainless Steel UTE canopy, and we're rolling it out from multiple makes and models. The quality is honestly right up there with canopies selling for 5K plus, but at a much better price. It's made from stainless steel and finished in a tough black powder coat, giving you serious weather resistance for Australian conditions. Rain, dust, sun, work sites, camping trips, this canopy is built for it. But the best part, the assembly is unbelievably easy. Most of it comes with pre-assembled, including the weather seals, roof channels, lighting and major fittings. We're talking around 15-20 minutes assembly time, which can save you hundreds on fitting compared to traditional canopies. It also has a strong stainless steel construction with up to 400 kg static weight rating, making it suitable for serious touring setups. You get model-specific brackets for most vehicles, premium locks, quality gas struts, internal mounting points for shelves and accessories, roof and ceiling mounting options, plus amazing LED light strips controlled by a switch so you can actually see what you're doing at night. And let's be honest, compared to bulky fiberglass canopies, this thing looks tough, clean and modern. So before you spend over 5K on a canopy, check out the Cobra 4x4 Premium Stainless Steel Canopy. Premium quality, easy assembly, serious strength and unbeatable value.